Gigi Variety reading FoodWISE tonight, continuing on in our personal world of food, but with the story of sensory science. And tonight, more research from my colleague, Erminio Monteleone. Usually, industrialized agriculture and food manufacturing companies have been the beneficiaries of sensory science. They want to sell a product and want to know what it is about the product that consumers like and what will make them want to buy it. In this role, sensory science could be seen as only about selling a product, addressing a specific industry's or company's competitive edge. But to my food-wise thinking, the information from this science can help us understand a lot about food quality. What is a good food? Or what do we perceive as a good food and why? These questions are important. Like advertising and all the other messages we receive, our sensory perceptions help determine what foods we like and therefore what our food choices will be. The findings of sensory science can help us understand our perceptions about food. And to get you started, there's an article tonight co-authored by a number of people, including Erminio Monteleone from the University of Florence. And their study is on vegetables, and it's a nutrition bulletin that you can read in its entirety. You don't have to pay for this research. It's not a newspaper article. Nutrition bulletin that came out last week. How do you get people to eat vegetables? Are vegetables a good thing anyway? What do they taste like, and what are the tastes that people don't like in their vegetables? It happens, shocker, that bitterness is something people don't like. Sweetness is something people like. Canteens, as they talk about in the bulletin note, that feature a vegetable of the day, do well in terms of increasing consumption of vegetables. But it's interesting what influences consumers' consumption of vegetables. An interest in health, as they stated it, female gender, acceptance of nudging practices to steer people towards selecting vegetables. So you can read the article for yourselves.